This is Gary Buchanan in downtown Billings. Doesn't it seem like we've had 2 Fridays and 2 Mondays already this week, as well as 2 years? Well, the market was confused too. And after a rough start, the first 2 days of this year, as we look back at the week, which was quite volatile, the ending the year last week with a big uptrend, we really ended up on a break-even note for the week, excuse me. The Dow was down 9 points for the week. The S&P down 10 points for the week, and that is very, very little movement. Who else but Chairman Ben Bernanke came and gave his last speech today, and that did have a positive impact on the market. He said the U.S. is poised for further growth. He said that headwinds are abating. That's pretty positive news from the chairman and his swan song. If you think of this last year, 2013, with the government sequester fears at the beginning of the year, debt fears, debt limit fears, Congress at loggerheads, closing the government down. Each time the Fed, with Chairman Bernanke, came to the rescue. In fact, Chairman Bernanke may have been the only adult in the room at certain points of the market. So he deserves a swan song, and he gave a pretty lengthy one today. Next week, we may see some of the results of his work and maybe a changing economy. The most important number of the new year, the most important number for January, will be the unemployment statistic on next Friday. We're looking for a rate of 7%. And then the growth, we hope, in private payrolls, where we're looking for a pretty aggressive number, 195,000 new jobs. So stay tuned. We got a new year. Next week we have some new numbers, and hopefully we'll see some stronger markets ahead. Gary Buchanan in downtown Billings. Have a great weekend.